Hello all, in this video I would like to educate on the basic introduction of financial accounting. So before going to learn about the complete accounting process, you need to understand two terms here. The first one is business and the other one is what is accounting. So let's begin with the first terminology called business. If you want to identify any activity as business, it should must aim to earn profit. So the same thing I have shown it here also. So any activity which aims to earn profit is called as business. Usually in business, two types of methods of business will be there. One is you will usually purchase raw materials and you will convert that raw materials into a finished product, and you're going to convert that raw material into finished product. In this case, you're taking the help of labor and machine as well. With this help, you are able to convert this raw material to finished product, and you have to identify how much cost or amount you have spent on conversion of this one. And as you want to earn some extra benefit out of this activity, so you'll add up some more profit for that, and finally you'll sell that in market. So if you can observe this equation, means you're doing some activity which involves cost, and because of your hard work you need some extra benefit for that. In that way you are adding up some profit for that and finally selling it in market. So this overall activity is called as business. And usually other type of business will be, instead of conversion of raw material, you will directly purchase the finished product from the market, and you're doing some slight modifications like adding your brand, or else making the size as small or large, or adding some few more ingredients for that. So in such way you're making slight changes to the finished product, and you're adding some profit for that, and finally you'll sell that in market. So in this type also, what you're doing, you are doing the business activity only. In both the case, what you're getting profit. So we can say it is called as a business activity. And later, so after finding out the business activity, so you need to find out how much you want to identify how much profit you gained out of this activity, or how much loss might arise for your product, or what is the actual financial position of your business. So for that, to identify, to know profit, or to know how much loss incurred in business, or to know the actual financial position, we need to do some activity that is called as accounting activity to find out all this. So what activities are involved in that we'll get to know now. Before knowing all that, you need to understand again the other terminology called as bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means, what it actually do is it records all the financial transactions in the business, and later if any same type of transactions or similar nature transactions, that is you're paying rent for the house, which should get repeated every month, right? So or else you're paying salaries to employees, so every month salaries need to be paid for all the employees, which gets repeated every month and continuously, it may last for years also. So these are called as similar nature transactions. All that need to be classified, and later all the transactions should also get summarized. So if these three activities are properly done, we'll call them as bookkeeping. And remember well that all these transactions should be measured in monetary terms only. That means you need to identify only the transactions which can be measured in money related terms, which can be able to record in rupees or dollars, any symbol, any money related terms. And later all those should be analyzed properly as well. So book, we can say, if analysis is also done, it is called as accounting. Bookkeeping, it limits itself to recording, classifying, summarizing, and accounting means it gives it also do one more activity, is called as analysis or analyze. And after doing all these activities, that is recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing. Everything should be interpreted and it should be informed to owners because they are the decision makers for the business. If complete information is available with the owners, they'll decide whether to continue the business or not. So we can say, after observing all this, accounting is the language of business, and all this accounting work will be done by accountant only. I hope this is clear to you, and let's catch up in another video, continuation of this one.